Hey, welcome to Life Mood and Reality. Okay, so today in this exciting show, we're going to be talking about academics, right? So don't panic, right? It's not too much grammar, right? So today we're talking about one of my students have asked me, like, hey, Ajiro, what's the difference between the Cambridge A-level information technology and computer science? What's the difference? They're all computers, right? So what's the difference? And in this show, I get to highlight the difference between the Cambridge AS/A levels information technology and computer science. Okay, so we're back, right? With that cool jam. Okay, so let's start with the first thing, right? The course code, right? So for Cambridge AS/A levels, information technology, the course code is 9626. For the Cambridge AS/A levels, computer science is 9618. Okay, so now you know the difference, at least for the course code. Okay, so both of them are advanced courses, okay, that is offered by the Cambridge International, okay, but they focus on different aspects of technology and computing. So here's a breakdown, okay, of their key differences. Okay, so for Cambridge AS/A levels information technology, so let's look at the focus, right? They focus on the practical application of IT in business and everyday context. Okay, understanding how IT systems are used, are managed. Okay, how they're being used and how they're being managed. Okay, let's talk about some key topics that you often see or come across for any learner who is done with IGCSE and heading to the sixth form, and you're thinking between the information technology and the computer science, what do I do? Okay, all right. So here are some key topics for the information technology with the course code 9626. So we have data processing and information system. We have software applications and project management. We have system life cycles, system design. We have digital divide. We have impact of IT on society and ethical considerations, as much as possible. We also have practical skills in using software applications, understanding of how IT systems support business operations. Project management, okay? Project management and problem solving within IT context, okay? So in terms of career path, for those who probably want to take IT in terms of career path. How would this lead you to a career path? If you're interested in IT management and support, you probably want to take in information and technology, system analysis and design, database management and network administration. Okay, you probably want to take in or offer information and technology, information technology, which is IT. Okay, so basically, if you're into business, okay, you want to also put in IT as well as part of your subject combinations. Okay, so for the Cambridge AS/E levels computer science 9618, they focus on the theoretical and technical foundation of computing. Okay, we're also looking at not just computing, we're also looking at the programming, we're also looking at the algorithms and system development. So what are their key focus? What are their key focus? Now, their key focus or key topics you want to look at is fundamentals of programming and problem solving. We have data structures and algorithms, computer system architectures and operating system. You look at the database theory and application. You look at software engineering principles. You look at networking and communication. Okay, so how about skill developed? Okay, for the IT, we talked about the skill developed are those practical skills in which you're using software applications, project management, problem solving within IT context. But for computer science, the skill developed at the end of the course would be programming and software development, analytical skills for problem solving and algorithm design, understanding of computer architectures and hardware, development and management of database system. Okay, and if you're wondering what are the career paths for computer science, okay, all right, so let's look at the career paths. For the career paths, we have software development and engineering. Okay, so we have system analysis and design, we have computer programming, we have research and development in computer science. So with all you've heard and more, right? So basically, if you're into engineering, software development, programming, they're all the same, right? Research and development in computer science. Computer science is the subject, it's your go-to subject, okay? But anything outside of it, if it's business, becoming an IT, becoming a DBMS, you might just want to go for IT, information technology, and that should be sufficient for you. So finally, in summary, IT, computer science. I'll be back after this. Okay, so in summary, information technology is more about the practical use of technology. Okay, information technology is more about the practical use of technology in business and social context, focusing on how IT systems are applied and managed. Okay, why computer science is more theoretical and technical, focusing on programming, algorithms, step-by-step sequence, okay, and the underlying principle of computer science. So choosing between these two depends on whether you are more interested in the practical applications of technology or the theoretical and technical aspect of computing. Hope that was helpful to you. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.